Well, here we are. There are the water kefir grains. You notice there's little bits of brown in here, and that's from the dates that I did some primary fermentation from. So when I put the water kefir grains, or Tibicos, in a sugar water solution, I added dates, a lime, and even some ginger root for the primary fermentation of 48 hours. So here they are afterward. I've rinsed them off with carbon water from a filter. This is my handy filter here, and it's okay to touch them now. So I'm able to pick out the little bits of, how should I say, date trash or date skins, which it's no longer a date. There's no more sugar in that date. It's actually pickled, sour kind. So I've cleaned our grains. This is about a quarter cup of grains, and I would mix a quarter cup of sugar and 6 cups of water, and I will repeat that again. This jar I have rinsed and cleaned with vinegar. So that is vinegar. Be careful, that burns your nose. And that is okay. I don't use soap, anything like that. It uses residues, and vinegar is a light acid, about 5%, and it will clean the glass very good, squeaky clean. So I am going to add back the Tibicos, and I'm going to add a quarter of sugar to 6 cups of water, already heated up and cooled down. Okay, so that's going to go in this jar right here. Now, what came out of the jar was the lemon, or actually the lime. That's after 48 hours, what happens to it. This is actually a date that has swollen up and is no longer sweet and is quite sour. I ate the other one, and these are the flaky brown particles that were in the crystals. And some ginger root, which a little piece of Tibicos still attached. I'm going to make sure I get that in there. So I'm going to also filter the second batch, and you might see some chicken scratch on here telling me the date and the time that this was set. So this was set on Tuesday at 7:30 in the night. I let mine go a little longer to remove as much sugar as possible, so I have a sparkling beverage that is limey with a zest and also effervescent. Okay, after I strained out, this is how much I got. I got about 1,250 mils of beautiful, bubbling, sparkling with a frothy head and very delicious taste. So we are going to now get the other one set, and I'll be right back for part number 3.